Here's the truth about YouTube. It rewards consistency and clarity, not luck or flashy edits. You don't need to go viral to build an audience. You need to show up. Think of this part as tuning the engine. If part one was designing the car, now we make sure it runs smoothly and gets noticed on the road. Search optimization gets your content to viewer. Let's talk visibility. YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world, right behind Google. If people can't find your video, it doesn't matter how great it is. Use these tools before you even hit record. TubeBuddy helps you find keyword phrases with high search and low competition. VidIQ tracks what's trending, what works for competitors. Keywords Everywhere gives you search volume directly inside YouTube. Your goal? Find phrases people are typing right now and make a video that matches. Viewer prompt. Have you used any of these tools before, or is one calling your name to try first? Your SEO flow simplified. Once you find a searchable phrase, use it in your title, start with the keyword, your description, repeat it naturally, your spoken content, say it in the first 30 seconds. Example, search term = cost of living in Mesa. Title, cost of living in Mesa AZ, 2025 update. Description, here's what it actually costs to live in Mesa, Arizona. Housing, utilities, groceries, and more. Spoken, if you're wondering what it costs to live in Mesa right now, this video breaks it all down. This alignment tells YouTube, hey, this video is about exactly what they're searching for. Thumbnail plus your hook will earn the click. The thumbnail earns the click. The hook keeps them watching. Thumbnail tips? Bold text, 3-4 words. High contrast colors. Face with expression or relevant graphic. Clear, not cluttered. Want a quick test? Type your topic into YouTube and look at the first 5 thumbnails. Which one stands out to you and why? Use that inspiration to design yours. Watch time is the algorithm's love language. Once someone clicks, the next goal is to keep them watching. There are metrics to watch. The CTR/OD click-through rate, aim for 5% or more. Average view duration, the longer the better. Audience retention curve, see where viewers drop off. Tip, tease a tip or insight coming 1-2 minutes in. Keeps viewers engaged and waiting. Example, and in just a minute, I'll tell you the #1 mistake first-time buyers make that costs them thousands. YouTube rewards rhythm. The more consistent you are, the better it performs. There are a few formats to use. Long form, 5-10 minutes, best for leads and education. YouTube Shorts, great for reach, but don't overdo it. YouTube Live builds connection, especially if you repurpose it later. Commit to weekly or bi-weekly uploads. Choose a day. Stick to it. I commit to weekly video versus a day specific. This works best for me. What day of the week would you aim to post your video? Playlists, end cards, and bingeable channels are all important to the success of your YouTube channel. Use playlists to group videos by audience or theme. Phoenix buyer tips. Neighborhood spotlights. Selling your home in 2025. Your goal is binge watching. The longer people stay on your channel, the more YouTube promotes you. End card tips. 2 video suggestions, 1 same topic, 1 related topic. Contact info or simple call to action. Your face or logo to build recognition. Here are some ideas to get you into action. Create your first playlist and title it. Write down a video idea plus the keyword phrase. Test a thumbnail in Canva with bold text with contrast. What part of this optimization process are you most excited to test? What tool or tip are you going to apply first? If you'd like the YouTube Starter Toolkit, a worksheet with your niche selector, video planner, a checklist, video ideas, and keyword tips, comment or message me the word toolkit and I'll send it over. You have now seen part 2 and 1. If you have not seen part 1.1, check it out. It's loaded with great info. Last, a final reminder, YouTube isn't about being famous, it's about being findable. You've got the roadmap. All that's left is to start driving.